To remove and replace the battery on your Chieftain, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the bike is powered off. Remove the upper side covers by pulling the corners straight out to disengage from the rubber grommets in the frame. To remove the seat, first remove the 2 fasteners securing the driver's seat to the frame. Then remove the passenger seat fastener. Lift the rear of the seat and pull to the rear to disengage the front retaining arms. Remove the fastener securing the vehicle control module mounting plate to the top of the battery box. Slide the VCM assembly forward to disengage the tabs. Carefully place out of the way. Do not disconnect the VCM. Ensure the VCM does not touch the positive battery terminal or cable. This can cause the VCM to short out. Remove the negative battery cable first. Position the cable well clear of the terminal. Remove the positive protector boot from the positive battery cable and remove the cable from the terminal. Position the cable well clear of the terminal. Reinstalling the fasteners onto the posts will prevent misplacement. Lift the battery straight up and out of the battery box. Inspect the battery box and cover for damage. Ensure the pads are properly located and in good condition. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Carefully position the battery into the battery box with the negative terminal toward the front of the motorcycle. Route the positive cable perpendicular to the long side of the battery. Install the positive cable first to prevent arcing, and torque to specification. Reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Then install the negative cable. Route the cable perpendicular to the battery, and torque to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the terminals. Verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Carefully reinstall the VCM mounting plate and fastener, avoiding any contact with the positive battery cable. Torque to specification. Turn the bike on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Reinstall the seat by engaging the front retainers and aligning the mounting holes. Reinstall the 2 driver's seat fasteners and torque to specification. Align the passenger seat bracket over the rubber washer and torque the fastener to specification. Finally, align the 3 side panel grommets and reinstall each upper side panel. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.